Hi, how are ya? Welcome to my channel. All right, guys, so I'm channeling a little Jeffree Star today because it's New Year's Eve and I have this, look at that crazy. The light's exaggerating it, but it is beautiful. Like you can barely even see it. And pow, girls, oh my gosh. So I'll link these below for you, but I have, which one is this even? This one is Sour Ice, and it is so stinking gorgeous. So let me just swatch it on my finger. I know I said I'm going to do a review on these, and I am, but oh my God, it's blinding. Like it's blinding the light of my camera. Isn't that nuts? Nuts. Oh, look at that. Look at that shift. I mean, boom, you can see it on my face. So I'm glitterified. And I also took some of it and patted it on my lips to kind of match everything in because it's New Year's. These are expensive. I think they're like $50 a piece for one. I mean, it'll last you for the rest of your life. And you can make it subtle, or you can, but not too subtle because it's kind of a crazy highlight. You can see there's some glitter in it, a lot of glitter in it. It's so pretty. It's not as crazy as it looks on the camera. It's just the camera's just like reflecting it in a weird way. Sour Ice. So comes in this really cool case too. It's a leather case. It's stunning presentation. So anyway, that's not why we're here today. And I also messed up with the whole thing. Anyways, why we're here today is I have a Natalie attired. Gotta be careful. I keep showing you guys my address. Not that I have any stalkers or weird people on my channel, but sometimes. So, all right. So Natalie attired. We have our return mailer, anything that we don't want. We have a note from Renee, and it says, "Hi Terry, happy holidays. I hope you love the pieces I chose for you. I saw your note on No More Jeans." So fantastic. I feel like I need to lift you guys up and push you down because I feel like you guys are far away. All right, so is that better? I feel like it was like cutting me off. Natalie attired has two different discounts. First of all, so your styling fee is $20 to get styled, and then anything that you keep will be that it will, you know, that will, what am I trying to say? Credited. That will be credited to anything you keep. Then if you keep at least, I believe it is 3 or 4 items, you get an additional 20% off of your entire collection that you keep, plus the $20 off that you paid in. And then if you keep all 5 items or the whole thing, I don't know, how many do I have? Yeah, 5 items, then you get 30% off. So guys, this box is really affordable. Before any discounts, it's only $193, so it's still under $200 for 5 pieces, probably because I don't have pants in here. However, if I keep all 5, it's only $121. So what's that, like $25 per piece? Is that what that works out to about, right? So ooh, I put a little gloss on called Mother Pucker. It's like freaking burning my lips. It's a plumper, but dang, it's like burning my lips as I'm talking. So all right, well, so we have a great box here as far as cost goes. So let's see what we got in the box as far as items go. All right, our first piece is it a turtleneck? I think it is. So it is a B Kika knit top. This is $34. So it's a little roll neck turtleneck top in burgundy. Can you guys see that okay? I feel like, I know it feels like it's fuzzy or like foggy in the house for some reason. It's weird. This, I guess you could fold it down or leave it. I think it's a size medium. I don't know because I can't find I don't know where the tag is on it. Like this tag's on it, but I don't know where like the size tag on the inside is. So this is really just a really nice like burgundy layering piece. And I like burgundy. It's a good color on me. It's pretty. This is, it's a basic. So there's that. And then there's this, which I think is a cardigan. Yeah, Ginger G long floral cardigan. So this is $42 regular price, and it looks like it's got shorter sleeves. I don't know about this. Not that anything's I like the colors in it. It's pretty. I'll have to try this on. I don't want to make a decision on this one until I try it on. It does have a pretty floral pattern, but I don't know if does it look romantic or does it look more like, would it age me? That's what I'm worried about. I don't want to age it. I got enough of that going on all alone by myself. But the back has the pretty design going all the way down. It's kind of a longer cardigan. It may look slimming and gorgeous and beautiful on me and romantic. I don't know. So we'll try it on and we'll find out, and we'll try it on with that, with the turtleneck underneath it. So there's that. Then we have another kind of burgundy burnt t-shirt by Renee C. This is kind of cool. This is $39. Here we go. And this is like burgundy, and then it's got, it's pulling black, but it is actually a burgundy velvet. You see that? On the sleeve, on the whole t-shirt. And it's just like a crew neck. So see, it looks, when I pull it back, it looks black. And then when you're up close, you can see that it is a burgundy. And then the sleeves are sheer. So you see my fingers through them. The sleeves are sheer, but the rest of the body of this is not. So this is kind of interesting. So yeah, so we'll try that on. I may try this stuff on tomorrow though, because we don't have a lot of light right now. And with the darkness of these colors, maybe tomorrow morning in the bright sunlight in the house, I can show the pieces. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna show you the pieces tonight and show the rest of it tomorrow. So then there's this. This was together. I've been seeing a lot of outfits like this where they take like kind of a dress shirt or whatever and put it under a sweater. It's blue. I love it. I do like the stripes. I think this might be kind of cute actually. So it's a cute little blue sweater, which I like the sweater, and then this little blue collared button down below it, and then it kind of hangs out the bottom. And probably you could probably roll this if you wanted, the sleeves, and like have this, you know, have this rolled up over the sleeve too. I don't know how tight that would be, like that, more like this. I don't know. Let me show you what I'm doing here. See how I did that? I don't know how that would look. We'll have to see. But this looks promising. A little different than something I think I would normally wear. So let's see how much both of those pieces are, since they're kind of tied together. Okay, wait. With the button down top is $39, and that's by Always and Forever. And let's see. Does this one? I think there's a tag in here. No. All right, let's see with the blue sweater. Also $39 for the blue V-neck sweater. That's actually a pretty good price for the V-neck sweater, for a $39 sweater, and there's $20 paid in to it already, so it'd be $19 if I want to keep that. So those are my 5 pieces. Again, it's $193 before discounts, $121 after discounts. I don't think that's a bad price. I'm gonna link, I'll link, if I can find any of the pieces like for you to buy separately, I'll link them below. I'll link Natalie Attired below if you would like to use my link to get your own box. I will link the Jeffree Star highlighter that I'm wearing below. And tomorrow morning, I'm gonna try on the clothes and we're going to take a look at everything and we're gonna see what we think. So stay tuned. For you, it'll be in a snap. For me, I've got hours and I've got to be up for, at least with my kids, for the new year. So I hope you guys are having a good new year. I'll see you all in a snap. Okay guys, here is the first top. It's the little burnt out t-shirt. I probably could add the turtleneck under here to give it, you know, a warm look for winter, because it is short sleeve, but here it is in all its glory. It's cute. I have to turn my lights on still, I forgot. Only a few more probably days and then that's all coming down, so. Yeah, so that is cute. What do you guys think? It's comfortable, it fits well. It's got like the sheer on the sleeve is a little more see-through, and then this part has like a liner. So it has a built-in liner in here, so that's kind of nice. I don't know, I like it. I like it, I don't know if I love it, you know? So, but there is the first top. Okay, here is just the turtleneck by itself. this is annoying me. The tag's like just in a really weird spot. I don't know if I can put it in. And there's like no front or back to this. Ooh, that's itchy and uncomfortable. I'm gonna do it just for you guys. Oh. Okay, so there's no like front or back to this. There's like no tag on the front or the back. I do have the wrong bra on, so if you see lace bumps, that is why. But this is a layering piece anyway, so this would be used under something. It's very soft, it's very comfortable. It's just a basic. I do like it, however. All right, we're gonna try on the cardigan with it now, which is right here. We're gonna see if this looks styling or if it looks grandma in. And no offense to the grandmas out there, because I'm a grandma too. But I still want to look like stylish. Okay, so first of all, it's not a, you can see the sleeves are short on here. I don't like this. This looks to me like I think it's beautiful, but it's not, it's too mature, I think, for me. All right, so here it is. I do kind of like the length. It's a long length, but I kind of like that. Like a duster cardigan. I do kind of like that. It's very comfortable, and it's got a beautiful pattern on it. I mean, it's different. So if you're looking for like a cardigan that's like a little unique, you think you might like this. I do like actually the shortness and how this kind of pops out on the bottom. So I don't know if that looks stylish or not, but there it is, and it is long. And I do have burgundy booties, which would be cute with this. So I don't know. It's comfortable. It's really comfortable. I just don't know that I would wear this out in public. I don't know that I could like zhuzh it up a little bit so that it's a little bit more fashionable. All right, so the last thing I have is the button-down shirt and then the sweater to go under it. So we're gonna get these off, even though they're really cozy. You kind of want to stay in them, and get the other two on. All right, so to start with, this is really uncomfortable. It's too tight in this area for me. It's too tight right in the tatas. I like the concept of it. I don't really own any shirts like this. It's also too tight here. It doesn't want to go over my hips, so it's sitting up a little on my hips because there's no stretch and it just won't go over my hip. It's also a little bit see-through. Not horrible, but it's a little see-through. And then where did I see that? Oh, right at the bottom it has a little tag here. It says, I don't know if you can even see it. It says always and forever down here, which is really cute. So this is a cute little top, but I would definitely need a large in this to feel comfortable because there's a little bit of gaping like right here, and then there's no room on the hips. I mean, it doesn't need to be pulled down, like it would probably be tucked in, but I don't know. I also don't ever wear these by themselves, ever. I never wear this style shirt, ever. I tried buying a couple because I've seen other people wear them and I think they're cute. But then I don't grab for them, so they're like a waste of money for me. But we are going to go ahead and try this little sweater. I do like this little sweater. I really like the color of this sweater. I should have held the arm sleeve on the other one. It looks like it's already got a pull in it though, look. And this I do not like when sweaters do this. I don't know if you guys, can you even see it? It's right there. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it. But there's can you see it better now? There's a little pull coming out of it. So, all right, anyway. I don't like that. I don't like when sweaters pull. And then leave this hanging kind of at the bottom. Pull out our collar. Okay, that's not working. Let's try. It's not working. I don't know. I know that looks weird, but the collar won't, now that I pulled it out of the sweater, it's not laying right. So anyway, here it is. The sweater's cute. I do like the sweater, and the sweater has kind of like a longer sleeve, so you can kind of roll these up if you want. And like I said, you could probably roll up the little shirt underneath it too if you wanted. It's not gonna pull down. I can't get it to pull down, it's not long enough. But yeah, so this is a cute look. It's just not my look. That's the best way I can describe it. And the collar of the shirt is doing some weird stuff. No matter how I do it, it just looks weird. Maybe if I had buttoned the top. No, the collar's just doing weird things. To kind of put it under here, and I can't, no matter how many times I pull the shirt down, it's not working. So I don't like that. I don't like that, how that looks, but I do like this little sweater, aside from the fact that it already has a pull coming out of the box. So that's a little bit of a concern. All right. Okay, let me get back in my clothes and we will do a recap. Okay, friends, so let's do a small recap. This will be really quick and short. I don't think that I loved anything in this box. I don't think that I need anything in here. I feel bad sending everything back, but like I can't keep things that just aren't my style or I simply don't need. And after going on 3 years of doing boxes, I'm overflowed with clothes. So it's got to be hit it out of the park items. It's got to be really things that I can't part with. And these are all things I can part with. It's just nothing like unique and special. I'm kind of considering just the burgundy turtleneck because I think I could use that under some sweaters and stuff when it gets really cold. We haven't had a really cold winter here. It's been pretty mild, honestly. So, in fact, it was 71 degrees the other day. Now it's chilly out there today, though. So, I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do. Oh, by the way, these lashes, if you are watching this after you saw my glossy box, they came in my glossy box, and I thought I'd try them on. These are the Great Gatsby lashes. So, yeah, so I think I'm going to pass on everything this time, unless you saw something I didn't. Let me know in the comments below, but otherwise I am going to pack all this up and send it back, and we'll try again next month. All right, guys, you have a wonderful day. I'll see you soon. Bye.